Hello traders, welcome to ECS Live and quick trading ideas. So what I see here guys today is basically very strong moves in the GBP crosses, but of course that can change and the markets could actually start retracing. But what about trades? What I see here is the GBP, the gold trade, which is going up, and in my opinion gold could move further up even towards these highs here. Why? Because we saw that today market broke the level here, and I have long position from 1773, so it's 20 pips profit now, but of course I expect higher move up at least towards 1790 or breaking 1800 here. So we will see if the markets will have momentum to push further up, but I see longs here. So gold should be moving up. Other markets, guys, euro dollar is well, pretty strong. So I would like to see a pullback towards 1950, 90, 60 before I make a long. So if you see a pullback lower, I will make a long here. GBP dollar, same thing, guys. Everything is a long. I don't see any shorts. If the market drops, I will no setup here at this point, really. What is also interesting is to watch the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is very bullish, but we see a big drop here, guys. So now it's pretty clear situation for me. If the market breaks below 4160, we will see a drop lower. So for all of you who want to short, ideal position would be that market closes below 4160, and this will be low here. This could be a short. Until then, this is long, guys. So if you trade S&P 500, it's very bullish. This doesn't look to me like short, so don't be trapped here. Only if the market makes a daily close below 4160, we can see a move down. So these are only ideas that I see here. So gold long, S&P long until it breaks 4160, and euro dollar long from the bottom if it drops. But at this point, the only trade that I have is the gold long. You can see I'm already in profit. Guys, I've been trading my account a lot. Really, you can go with ECS Live. We have clear situation here. The account here is in profit. This is due to the money management that I do. I'm very conservative. I have very conservative money management, and you can see that I trade it with profits. If you want to know more about this full trade setup with full trade management risk, you can join up ECS Live service on our website. So these are trading ideas that I see here, guys. It's Friday. It's Monday. So I don't see a lot of potential for trades, but I hope that markets will be having some good setups, maybe until tomorrow, if not for today. Thank you guys for listening. For full ECS Live service, you can join on our website. See you soon then, and enjoy the profits. Cheers, guys.